Good day, everyone. You're welcome to Born Tutor channel. We are still under construction, and today I'll be teaching us how to construct parallel lines. Firstly, what are parallel lines? When we're talking about parallel lines, we're talking about two lines that can never meet each other. That is, two lines that can never meet each other. No matter how long the two line runs, they will always keep the same distance from each other all through, from the beginning to the end. And from there, we say the two lines are parallel to each other because they can never meet at any point. So let's say you want to construct a parallel line to a given line AB. Let's say you are given a line AB whereby your A is here and your B is here, and you're asked to construct a parallel line to the given line AB. The first thing you do is you mark a point, make a point above the two lines. You can call the point X, and also on your AB you can mark any 2 points and call them X. Sorry, call them P. We've used X, Q. Now, the first thing you are going to do now is that you are going to open to the radius of your P and Q using your compass. And using that radius of your P and Q, you are going to stand on your X. You are going to stand on your X and you are going to make an arc. And also, you stand on your X and open to the radius of your X and P. You open to the radius of your X and P. Using that radius, you stand on your Q and you make another arc. Now, where the arc meet each other, you are going to draw a straight line to join it with your point X. And you are going to draw a straight line using the 2 points. And the line you will be drawing will be parallel to your A and B. As you can see, the two lines that they keep the same distance even from the beginning to the end. Therefore, we say the two lines are parallel to each other. Now, let's move to construction of perpendicular line. Let's say you want to draw a perpendicular line to another line AB. Firstly, let me talk about what a perpendicular line is. When we're talking about a perpendicular line, we are talking about two lines that meet at an angle 90 degree. That is, the two lines meet each other at angle 90 degree. Let's say you are told to construct a perpendicular line to a line AB. Let's say you're not given any point the perpendicular line should pass through. It's very easy. First thing is to know your point A and B. Mark your point A and B. Then open to any reasonable radius and just ensure that the radius is more than half of the given line. You can see it's a little bit more than half of the given line. Then you stand on the point B here. You make an arc above. You can even extend it further so that it will give you a very distant arc. You make an arc above and you make an arc below. Using that same radius without altering the radius, you stand on your A. You make an arc to cross the first arc above and also the second arc below. Then you take your ruler and draw a straight line to join where the two arcs meet together. And if you construct a straight line like this, you will be constructing a perpendicular line to line AB, and not just a perpendicular line, you will be bisecting line AB into two equal parts. That is, if you call this point O, your AO will be equals to your OB, which means the distance from here to here will be equals to the distance from here to here, and this line is perpendicular to line AB. But let's say you are asked to construct a perpendicular line to a given line, and you are told that the perpendicular line should pass through a point. Let's say we are given a line AB. We are given a line AB, and you are given a point here, and the point is called D. Now you are told to construct a perpendicular line to pass through this point D. What you are going to do now is you take your compass and put it on point D, and take your compass and make two arcs on line AB. Call the two arcs X and Y. Now make sure you open your compass to be wider a little bit more than the half of AB. You can see it's a little bit more than the half of AB. Stand on your point stand on your point Y, make an arc, and on your point X, anyone you want to do first, on your point X here, make another arc. Draw a line to join the point D with the two arc you just make now, and you'll be drawing a perpendicular line through line A and B, and the perpendicular line is still passing through your point D. If you do not understand this, please try as much as possible to watch the video from the beginning. And still, if you did not understand, please drop a message in the comment section below, and I'm ready to give you a free one-on-one tutorial on how to do all this construction. And by next time we'll be meeting, I'll be teaching us how to construct triangles. Either triangles given the three sides, or maybe we are just given one angle and two sides, or we are given two angles and one side. I'll be teaching us how we can go on with those construction. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, please click the share button. If you are just seeing this video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be dropping tips on mathematics and many solutions to problems under mathematics, and even teaching us stuff like this on mathematics. And also, you can share this video to your loved ones who you think might need something like this. And please don't forget to on your notification bell and like the video. Thank you very much.